boys and girls, we are on lesson 68 today. It's going to look like this. Make sure you have that out. Number 1 through 10, we're just going to review some letter sounds. I've kind of picked some final stable syllables to go over. So our first one is bull, and we would write that as B-L-E. Our second one is dull, which would be D-L-E. Our third one is tull, T-L-E. Our fourth one is cull, K-L-E. And our fifth one, we're going to do W. What letter makes W? It's W. Go ahead and make sure you get those down. I'm going to erase them. Number 6, let's do A. That's A consonant E, comma, A. Number 7, I. I consonant E, comma, I. Number 8, O. O consonant E, comma, O. Number 9, U. U consonant E, comma, U. And number 10, X. That is X. Make sure you get those written down if you don't have them. Alright, on number 11, I want to spell into. So that's just into. Into. Number 12. Compound word, something. So we're going to sound out some. Some is one of our sight words because it doesn't follow that same rule of the O consonant E. And then thing. Alright. Make sure you get those down. Next we're going to talk about our new sounds, our new digraph. We're going to look at aim, braid, and train. What do you notice about all these words? How are we making that A sound? Yep, it's that A-I. So A-I is our new digraph, which we'll always underline when we code. Right? A-I. So we're going to underline them because it's a digraph. And then we're going to cross out the I when we're coding because the I doesn't say anything. It just makes the A get a macron and say its name. Aim, braid, train. Okay, let's practice spelling a couple of words. Let's spell rain. Rain. So we have that AI digraph in rain. Oh, this is number 13. I don't want you to be confused. This is number 14. Paint. Remember, we're doing that AI digraph, so paint. P-A-N-T. Paint. Number 15 is aim, which we already did. So it's that AI and then aim. Make sure you have those written down. We're going to move on to coding. I'm wondering, I think it might be easier if I code on this still. I was thinking maybe I could use that sheet and code straight on the sheet, but maybe not. Alright, we are going to start by coding snail. We have the digraph. We're going to underline it, cross off the I, and the A gets a macron. Number 17. Aided. Here we have suffix ed. We're going to box that off. Okay? And then we have our AI, so it gets underlined. And the A gets the macron, and the I gets crossed out. Number 18. Draining. we are going to box off our suffix of ing. We're going to underline our AI digraph, gets a macron, and the I gets crossed off. Number 19, mailed. We're going to box off our ED. Here we have our digraph, so our A gets a macron, our I gets crossed off. Number 20, hairbrush. This is a compound word. Hair, brush. So we're going to draw our line down. Here we have digraph. Here we have our AI digraph. We're going to put a macron on the I, or on the A, cross off the I. And then we have vowel consonant, and it gets a brev. All right. Go ahead and make sure you have all of these. Draw a line from the word that matches the picture over there. Okay. Number 21, sweet. Here we have that EE digraph. So we cross off the first E, the second E. The first one says its name, and that's all we do for that one. Number 22, sorry. Name. Here we have vowel consonant E, so the A gets a macron and the E is crossed off. Number 23, rudeness. We're going to box off that suffix, that ness suffix. Here we have vowel consonant E, so we're going to cross off that E and the U gets a macron, rudeness. 24, sister. Here we have vowel, oopsies, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we're going to draw a little line there. And we have vowel consonant, gets a brev. And then here we also have our ER combination. All right, and number 25, sadly. Sadly, this is our last word. We're going to box off the ly, and then we just have vowel consonant, and it gets a brev. All right. Again, pause, get these written down. Look over to the side, and it shows you what we're going to try to be matching. So match that word to that picture. All right. On the back of your worksheet, read the paragraph, answer the questions, and practice your sight words, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.